Wildfires have been burning in southeastern Kentucky for several weeks now, and despite the fact that some of those have been put out, some problems remain.
I received notification yesterday that there was an advisory, a smoke inhalation advisory throughout this region.
Laurel County is among a half dozen or so counties in southeastern Kentucky with poor air quality thanks to all the smoke-filled air.
COPD, asthma, or any other respiratory problems to stay indoors.
Smoke can hurt or cause damage to eyes or irritate the respiratory system. Hensley says the smoke has caused the air quality to reach levels not seen in years.
The worst I can remember was the fall of 2002. It's the last time I think that we've dealt with something with this severity.
Health officials in Laurel and Rockcastle County say they have not seen an increase in patients seeking treatment or issues. They say they're keeping a close watch on the levels.
Over the upcoming days, the Department of Public Health will continue to work with state and local officials and keep us monitored so we can keep the public informed on the situation.
The EPA is also recommending that those in the highest concentration of smoke levels to cancel outdoor events. And there's even some recommendations for you if you live in these areas for things you can do or not do inside your house, such as not burning candles or not lighting your fireplace. In Laurel County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.